Imagine you're considering an investment. You know it'll bring in some cash in the future, but how do you decide if it's worth your money today? That's where net present value, or NPV, comes in. NPV is a calculation that helps you see if the money you'll earn tomorrow is worth investing in today. It works by taking your expected future cash flows and adjusting them based on how much value money loses over time, or the time value of money. To calculate NPV, you start by estimating your future cash flows. Then, you apply a discount rate, basically the expected return you'd need from this investment. This rate helps adjust for inflation, risk, and opportunity costs. If your NPV is positive, it means the investment is likely to generate more than it costs, which is a green light. But if it's negative, you might want to rethink.